short video here, but the question is, what tools should we use? We're bombarded with the number of different options for creating recommended product lists and all that stuff. Intelligent search and behavioral, all these buzzwords that people throw around. If we boil it down, one of the big purposes behind this course is that you recognize or you realize the entire value of this money that you are investing into the Adobe Commerce platform. As such, I recommend you just you start out with manual and using the product recommendations tool that Adobe Commerce includes. Just start with those and see how it works out. Did you know that otters love water? Outside of being a really cool rhyme, it's true. They absolutely they thrive in water. It's their main habitat. But also, SwiftOtter loves clean water. We give over 10% of our net profits to clean water initiatives. Think how cool it would be that working with us, customize, extend your website to make it stronger, better, faster. You're actually supporting clean water in that process. There's a win-win deal. Let's talk. If you find that products are irrelevant or there's problems there, tweak those algorithms, work with that. Don't just throw in the towel or just assume that another product is better. Start with a baseline. And then if you want, implement one of these other tools and replace it. And then you have something to compare it against. And I think that's the biggest thing is that by starting with other tools first that claim to be so much better, maybe they are better, maybe they are not better. And maybe they're not as good for your company, or maybe they are 10 times as good for your company, right? So start with a baseline. Don't assume just the core product is junk, because it's at worst, it's reasonable. At best, it's phenomenal. So, just to be clear, yes, there are bugs, there are problems with the core product, but generally speaking, it's stable, it performs really well, and it's a good product. So stick with that 80% that you're already paying for. And then as you feel the need for it, add on those other options that might provide extra value. I will, however, at the end of this, right now, I will put in a plug for Algolia, Algolia. We have used this with great success. We did a case study a while back where by installing Algolia, again, after starting with the original, and this was a couple of years back, but we ended up with a 14% conversion rate increase for people who use that search. That's really good. So I would highly recommend Algolia. It's not horribly expensive, has very fast and very good rules if you're willing to sit down and take the time and learn it. So highly recommend Algolia, but otherwise stick with that core product and let's see how you do.